one's name is Safety. Kids love to play around and have lots of fun, but sometimes they get hurt. And the first thing that they think about is how mad their parents are going. Maybe these kids decided that they didn't want to tell their parents, which led up to more serious injuries. That's why we created Safety, a quick and easy way for kids to find out what went wrong. I'm going to pass it over to my team to discuss the following presentation.
Thank you, Isabel. Absolutely. 40% of kids these days between the ages of 6 and 12 have phones, and the trend is going up. SafeMe is the app that gives kids evidence-based, age-appropriate, health-related information. And it's an easy, simple, and easy to use app. And now, Jeff and Daniel are going to explain to us how this app works.
I'm going to walk you through what Daniel has on the screen. So this is a home page. At the top you can see there's an emergency button. You can click it. It shows you can either dial 911 or your mom, her number is listed in your profile. And then if you go back, at the bottom there's a trouble button. So it asks who's injured. If you click your friend is, it asks, are they responding? So if you say no, immediately you dial an emergency number. If they are responding, it gives you a list of possible problems. So if we choose pain, it asks where is the pain on the body. If we go back, at the bottom there's a learn button. So here there's a search bar if you know what you want to learn about, or in the top left corner there's a controller for a game so that it's enjoyable for kids to learn, and the rest are just general categories. Like in the middle there's bullying, below that's abuse, and to the right is stress. So we click games. The top left one is asthma, and then if we click that there's subcategories of what you can learn about asthma. Beside the learn button is the call button. So at any time there's an emergency, you just go there and then click any one of those numbers to call them. And the bottom right is your personal profile with your name, date of birth, Alberta healthcare number, and then the emergency phone numbers. And below that is your medical concerns. So as an example, if you had asthma, you'd click that tab, and then back on the home page, you would click my condition, and it tells you what to do in the event of an asthma attack.
We're thinking of partnering up with Alberta Health Services because they are a very good brand and people trust them. We're also thinking of joining up with other associations because then we can get the word out.
This is awesome. And thanks, Isabel, for having the courage on a Friday to speak your mind and to stick around the whole weekend to see it through. That's all great things to the team. How do you see this plugging into groups like Kids Help Phone and others that go beyond? I mean, you touched on bullying, but how do you see this reaching out to other social service organizations?
Okay, basically we're looking for different organizations like Canadian Pediatric Society, Kids Help Phone, also to connect with us and to use the verified information that they provide. We will have links that the child can use and call those lines as well. The benefit of that is basically that you have a significant amount of information ready at home afterwards. So if they are on the phone, they need wireless to get this information. They need to search websites to get it. And also it saves time because calling a helpline or calling, for example, Kids Help Phone, it takes time until you reach someone. So we think that we can save some time and decrease the phone call loads to those lines as well.
How do you plan to market this app? To the parents, to the kids, both?
Well, I think it should be both. And we are looking for advocacy through pediatricians and through educators like teachers and other education organizations as well.
20 seconds left. Any further questions? Yeah.
SafeMe made learning easy.